Are you one crash away from losing months of Jira work? Learn how to back up your entire project and settings in under 2 minutes. I will show you exactly where to click in Jira to create a full cloud backup, then download it safely to your computer. Start by logging into your Jira instance. Open your browser and sign into the account that has your projects. This is the same place you use every day to track your team's work, so let us start there. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small gear icon. Click on that. That is your settings menu. Everything you need to configure Jira lives under this icon. From the drop-down menu, select System. This is where Jira keeps all the behind-the-scenes settings. Think of it as the control room for your entire instance. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we are heading to one specific spot. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Backup Manager. Click on it. This is the exact page where Jira handles all of its backup tools. In my experience walking through this with teams, this is the page most people never know exists, so you are already ahead of the game. Now, click the blue button that says Create Backup for Cloud. Jira will ask you what you want to include. You have the option to back up attachments and data from other Atlassian products, like Confluence. For a full safety net, I recommend checking everything. Then go ahead and confirm. Jira will start preparing the database export. This takes a while. Do not refresh the page or close the tab. The time it takes depends on how much data you have. For a small team, it might be a minute or two. For larger organizations, it could take longer. Just let it work. I have seen this step trip people up because they rush it. Be patient. Once the backup is ready, the button changes to say Download Cloud Backup. Click that. Your browser will start downloading a .zip file. This file contains everything. Your projects, your issues, your workflows, your custom fields, all of it. Check your Downloads folder for that .zip file. Make sure the file size looks reasonable for your project. If you have a lot of attachments, the file might be quite large. Just verify it downloaded completely. To avoid manual work, set up automated backups. Jira Cloud has a built-in scheduler. You can find it on the same Backup Manager page. Set it to run daily or weekly. I recommend daily if your team is actively working. That way, even if something goes wrong between Monday and Tuesday, you only lose a day of work. Finally, know how to restore if disaster strikes. The Restore option is on the same page. You upload your .zip file, and Jira will rebuild everything from that snapshot. It is straightforward, but you need that backup file to begin with, so keep it stored somewhere safe, not just on your computer. Consider cloud storage or an external drive. That is it. You have gone from not knowing where the backup options are to being able to create and download a full Jira Cloud backup in just a couple of minutes. You've got a solid safety net in place now. That is peace of mind worth having.